Hola. Why is this phone still ringing, bitch? And we already on the phone. You good though? Okay, hold on. Not Bo trying to come outside. You're not coming outside, Bobo. Okay. Yeah. No, Bobo. Look, we still scrub. Babe, pick that thing up. I'm not lifting that heavy ass grill.
You need help?
Okay. Got it. Yeah, I was like, shit, I was gonna shove it in my storage unit.
No.
Girl, we gotta make space.
Got one right here.
Okay. Right.
No, for
Not
real.
right here. I'm crying.
Ooh, oh, just put it right here, baby, down here. Yeah.
Don't bring that thing upstairs. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
My bad. Yep, and turn sideways. Watch that sneaker.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
The maintenance man threw all my shit down here. Trying to get the dishwasher up. I don't know.
Honey, he was cruising around here in a BMW. Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. Whew. Sorry. And I'm still about to hop back in. I didn't get everything that I need to get. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Is it all day? Oh, I think so. They was parking at me. Was like facing the direction of rain. That's why Woo said it rained.
Who is this?
It's my motherfucking crib.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, I did not breathe. Oh my god.
My motherfucking crib.
Anyway.
My motherfucking crib.
That's because they said he went to smoke.
Oh. My uncle. Her brother. We got no uncle out here.
Honey, it's a house on the main road.
Oh.
So we're going to finish anything. Well, all you gotta do is get drunk for niggas that you get the fuck on it.
No, for real. No, for real. Because I already hide like shit. What are you? Oh. I got red hands. I was like, oh my god.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's what I heard too. Oh, wow. Oh. Technically, it's.
I don't know the law.
Yeah.
I see.
Ah, man. You can't be hot. It means you're gonna, you gotta.
How you been though? I ain't seen you in a long time.
I'm good.
You good?
I'm stressed. But blessed.
How you been traveling though and shit?
Yeah, just came back from Puerto Rico like
That's what's up.
last week or something.
So it was your birthday recently and stuff?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. How have you been?
I've been alright. I've been chilling. You know what I'm saying? Blase.
Yeah, you know.
Blase.
Same old. Nah, for real.
Yeah,
When you messaged me, I was like, I was literally like, I said, oh, I gotta cut this short.
I said, they're going, so I'm on the way.
Okay? No, literally. Because what the fuck? Anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna send you some messages that she tried to send me.
He trying to turn around like that, but then,
like, you're right. I don't know who these people are.
Right.
I was going into town. It was crazy. I said, I know that truck.
Yeah.
Look, I said, no, here they go. Here they go. And I don't know, she got me some stuff shit because he said she was paying her up too.
They're not gonna find her.
And I'm just like, that's what I'm saying. I was like, so, I mean, it's not that simple.
He's gone. That's that.
Yeah, so there you go.
But they're weird as shit. Okay.
Yeah, we need to have this good talk to the meeting.
Girl, I don't know. Sound like a setup to me.
That's what I'm saying. Detectives and take.
Oh yeah, definitely. They gonna cops definitely gonna say some shit like that. Yeah, it's definitely a setup. The cops always gonna say,
"Oh, we just want to talk." Yeah,
exactly. They definitely gonna do that. Yeah. And next thing you know, well, we're gonna take you on in now. We care about you though. We on your side, buddy. Like, damn.
Yeah, I just stay away from here for a long time.
I don't fuck with no police like that. Hell no.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do? There's this cleaning girl who got inspection tomorrow, so I'm busting my ass
FaceTime
tonight.
me if you get bored. Like I said, I'm gonna hop back.
I ain't never talked to you. How cool are you with the landlord over here? You cool?
I mean, I guess we're cool.
Yeah,
we be having our moments. Yeah.
Okay, that's how. Yeah, okay.
Like
I ain't never talked to nobody else.
Yeah.
Another tenant about like she be because with
me on
me.
Facebook, 'cause I can,
oh my god. Bet.
She tries to fake me on ass, but yeah, she likes me.
She be like, I feel a little weird. Like sometimes like she be on my dick, but like on some ignorant shit. But then sometimes
Yeah,
she's cool.
but then she's
like,
cool.
like,
Yeah,
I'm like, what
she's
the fuck?
bipolar. That's
Yeah,
all.
she made me remove my whole trailer and my whole shit off the premises.
Let me talk to her.
But I'm like,
Yeah.
my shit was like way back somewhere, like.
Let me go talk to her. She knows I get on her. She's like, what, baby? What are you doing now? Like, I can
Real
fuck
shit.
with you.
So,
Well, they go so wash your booty.
thank you. Yeah, because
I'll be down here. So,
yeah, just let me know when tomorrow, whatever time.
Okay.
I probably won't get off until like what's today? Wednesday, Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Probably like 6ish.
Okay. All right.
I don't know. I'll let you know though.
Okay.
All right. Y'all be safe.
All right,
Good
babe.
to see you.
Good night. Oh, I was like, where's you parked that up here?